Okay, guys, so part of defensive programming is taking steps to protect your users. What we're going to see is how we can simply add a first line of defense to our app's user interface by securing any text fields that a user is going to potentially enter sensitive information into. What we are looking at on the screen is an application that I've created. It's quite simple and you can see it running in the simulator right now. It's just basically going to allow a user to enter in a username and a password. The problem should be pretty obvious here in that you can see in my text field that I'm entering in this password, it's in plain text. So anyone looking over our user's shoulder is going to have the ability to see this sensitive information. So let's see a few ways we can simply change that. I'm going to stop my app in the simulator. And now what we're looking at is the main storyboard. I'll point out here that both of my text fields, my username and my password text field, are hooked up in my viewcontroller.m here as outlets. So what I'm going to do is in the viewDidLoad method for this controller, I'm going to select my text password field here, and I'm going to set its secure text entry property to a Boolean value, yes. That's pretty much all to it. And if I were to run this application again now, once the simulator pops up, you'll notice that if I start entering information into this password field, it is now obscured from plain sight. So that's a pretty easy first step to take towards protecting your users. And what I'll do is I'll actually show you that there's an alternative way we can perform this same operation, and that is in the storyboard. I'm going to comment out my code version of things here. Going to jump back to the main storyboard, and then in my utilities window, I am going to go to the attributes inspector and I'm going to make sure my password text field is selected. Then I should be able to scroll down until I see an option for secure text entry. If I were to check that and run the application one more time, you'll notice my text field should still be secure.